Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
We invite you to join us for an Ag PhD corn workshop. It's Wednesday, January 17th. We're going to have a lot of fun talking corn.
Well, we're just going to have a specific crop workshop that day. So it's not about, hey, how about soybeans and how about wheat and how about this crop and that crop, just corn. We're just going to spend time on corn. We're going to talk about crop protection things. We're going to talk about fertility strategies, just everything that goes into having a successful corn crop. Now, of course, if you say, well, I don't raise corn, so I'm not too interested in that, you're probably still going to find some things there that, oh, okay, well, I learned something about soils, or I learned something about some of these crop protection families or whatnot that could help you out with other crops. But for the most part, it's about corn.
Yeah, pretty much is about corn. We have a soybean workshop coming up in February, but this is the corn workshop. And Darren mentioned some of the things we're going to talk about, but we'll even get into how do you pick corn hybrids and where should you be investing your dollars so you can maximize your overall profitability when it comes to corn. Because let's face it, I mean, we're dealing with different economics today than we used to. When Darren and I were young agronomists and young farmers, we were talking 130 bushel corn maybe on our farm. That was our goal. And we were hoping, just hoping and praying to get $2. Just think about that. We're talking like $260 or less on our farm year after year. Well, now, if you raise a great crop and have a pretty good price, it might be $1,000, $1,500 an acre. So it's a lot of dollars that you're going to invest in that crop and a lot of dollars as potential return.
Well, and here's the thing, Brian, we make these decisions about corn farming once per year. It's been 12 months since you made the same decisions last year. You're not going to remember all that stuff. We need a little bit of refresher here, and we need to have some discussion about what went right and what went wrong in 2023's crop so we can do the best job we can in 2024. So we're going to talk about corn at our corn workshop. We would love to have you attend our workshop in person. It's right at the Ag PhD Field Day site, inside the warm, comfy confines of the Morton Center. You can compare notes with other farmers from around the country. You'll get the most out of the workshop that way, but there are live stream options available too if you can't make it to Baltic, South Dakota. Just check out all the details at agphd.com.
Well, once again, it's the Ag PhD Corn Workshop. We host this for free every year just to say thank you to you for watching us here on Ag PhD over all these years. Again, Ag PhD Corn Workshop, Wednesday, January 17th.
Well, one thing you won't see at the Ag PhD Corn Workshop is our Weed of the Week. We'll show you how to stop it on your farm later in the show.